Welcome you all to the virtual run. We from Dreams Event Services proudly present you all Strive International Virtual Run. Now, what is this virtual run is all about? The virtual run is all about you run or walk a 2 kilometer, 3, 5, 10, 21, or 42 wherever you can with all the precautions taken in place. I also have my colleague Parikshit who's going to give us two words on the virtual run. Parikshit, please let us know what do you feel and what are your thoughts on the virtual run.
Good afternoon, sir. It is giving us the opportunity to push and discover our inner potential, whereas it is inspiring us to lead a very healthier lifestyle and build the stamina while doing all this at home or in your garden or in your own place where you just run for like 2 kilometers, 3, 5, 10, 21, 42, and more.
Thank you, Parikshit, for your wonderful thoughts on this virtual run. We would really appreciate all of you all to come and register for this event, which is planned on July 19th, 2020. Please visit our website www.deands.com. Also, please come and visit our social handlers and register yourself for this event. Stay safe, keep running. Thank you.